Hi everyone, Rosette again from Tandika, Uganda. I'm back to talk about shoemaking, the process, the tools, the materials. So let's talk about a hammer and a mallet. Most of people, especially if they are not our students or if you're learning from online and you ask me about what are the shoemaking tools, what do I need? And I tell you, you need a hammer, you need a mallet, you need this. You keep asking, why should I have a hammer and at the same time I have a mallet? Why can't I use one? Or why can't I use a hammer? Why can't I get a mallet? So I want to explain what's the difference between a mallet and the hammer. Their laws. So for a mallet, if we are using a mallet it has a soft part, soft rubber. You can see it's not metallic. So for this one, we use it when we are punching soft things, especially gum. If we've applied gum on the surface, like here, let's say we want to attach this one to this. If we apply gum here and then we apply here gum, we shall have to leave it to dry, then we attach it. In the next video I'll show you how do we leave gum to dry and what we do. So you've attached your gum like this. So for it to be firm, because some people you make shoes and in one day, 2 weeks, the shoe is out, you need this one. You need to hammer very well. You punch, make it firm like this. You keep punching like this so that the gum can be firm. And every part of the shoe, even after putting everything, the sole, the inner sole, everything, when the shoe is done, we shall have to use a hammer and do this. Make it firm, make the gum firm. It's for gum, like mostly. Then for the case of a hammer, use hammer. The hammer is a metallic thing, it has a metallic head. So this one can either use this when we are removing. You see these ones, the shoes, when we are maybe putting them on the shelves, we put nails here, like this one. You put nails, so you can use this to punch the nails, then you can also use it to remove it. So with this one, we use it also to put holes on the shoe. As you can look at this shoe very well, it has this hole here where we put this hose pipe. So any punching, any hole we want to put on the shoe, any design that you want to put on the shoe, as long as it is metallic, we use a hammer. So let's assume we are using this template and we want to put on this carpet, we want to put the other hole. We shall get our punch. This one, you look at different sizes of punches later in another video. Then you just come, get where you punch from, then you hammer. Punch. You do not use a mallet. A mallet has a soft part, it's a rubber, it cannot hit this one, it will get spoiled fast. So we use a hammer. For nails, for hard things, we use a hammer. If you are putting these markings, we also use a hammer. So I hope this one solves your questions of why should I need a hammer. So you need both, you don't need one. You need a hammer and you need a mallet. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Tandika Uganda, and also follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn and Instagram. Thanks very much. I remain Rosette.